Assalamualaikum and good morning to all of you. So now we move to the next topic, which is isometric drawing. So isometric drawing, which is also called isometric projection, is a method of graphic representation of three-dimensional objects. Okay. So using isometric commands, this is the simplest way to give 3D representation. So before this, we just only use 2D commands. Okay, so in isometric drawing, used to complement or give more information to a 3-view orthographic drawing. Remember, last time we do the orthographic drawing from top view, side view, and also front view. So for isometric, it gives you the more information. Okay. For isometric, this is always be 30 degrees. Okay, 30 degrees, 30 degrees, and also at the top, always 30 degrees. Okay, so it represents a 3-dimensional object in 2 dimensions in technical and engineering drawing. Okay, so for a 3-coordinate axis, we have the angle of 30 degrees, and also any two of them is 120. So ni akan jadi 120 lah. The bigger part. Okay, 120. This is 30. This is 30. Okay, same goes to this one. 120. This one 30. And the other side is also 30. So why isometric? Okay, because the term isometric comes from the Greek, which is means equal. Okay, isometric, equal measure. Okay, the meaning of isometric is equal measure. Reflect that the scale along each axis of the projection is the same. Okay, if you look at the figure, okay, both sides are equal. So in order to produce an isometric drawing, okay, remember what we've done last time is this is we call it as orthographic. So isometric ni terbalik lah. Okay, so we have the orthographic drawing, so you have to produce isometric drawing. Sebelum ni you have the isometric and then you produce the orthographic. Okay, so in the other way, it is advisable that you begin by sketching. So in order for you to imagine how it looks like, you have to imagine. Okay, first imagine dulu. Dia dah bagi front view, top view dengan side view ni. Okay, it's orthographic. You have to imagine and just sketch. So bila you sketch, you dapat the rough idea of an object. So once the sketch is confirmed, then you are ready to start drawing using AutoCAD software. So in order to setting up the isometric, okay, so you have to set snap to isometric. Okay, change snap to isometric style. So in order to do that, so command snap and then enter. Okay, and then enter the grid style, type I for isometric, and then the vertical snap, type 0.5 and then press enter. So you'll see the cursor hairline. So now it has been set into isometric pattern. Okay, and also in order to use the 3 main position, you can use also F5. Okay, to represent between isometric top, iso right, and also iso left. Okay, just press F5. Okay, you can do it on your AutoCAD. So when drawing circles, okay, So when you do circle in isometric, so dia tak akan terbentuk a perfect circle. It will result to be ellipse because dia dah dalam bentuk 30 degree. So in order to ensure that ellipse is an isometric circle every time, so use ellipse command, or you can also press I. Okay, ellipse and then tap I for iso circle and then press enter. You can specify whichever radius that you want. So try to construct an isocircle using your AutoCAD now at different position, top, right and left. Dia akan ada perbezaan, okay? So this is the setting. Okay, so the angle will be 30 degree. Spacing just now 0.5, and then you can click OK. This is the 3 isoplane and iso circles. So you can try on your AutoCAD software. Okay, produce a cube, and then when you draw a circle, dia akan berbentuk ellipse because of the angle of 30 degree. Okay, so now for the first exercise, construct an isometric drawing of this orthographic drawing. So do it now.